Hello everyone and welcome to our presentation. Based on the advertisement, our group will be present about Samsung company. Hello, I'm Shazwan and now I will present the background of Samsung's company. A South Korean company, namely Samsung, is one of the world's leading manufacturers of electronic tech devices. Lee Byung-chul founded the company in 1938 in Daegu, South Korea as a grocery trading store at first. Then in 1969, the business entered the electronic market, debuting with a black and white television as their very first electronic product. Soon after, the firm began to export its product and grew to be a prominent electronic producer both in its native nations and worldwide. Moreover, a wide range of consumer and industrial electronic products are manufactured by Samsung, such as appliances, digital media devices, semiconductors, and memory chips. As a result, this company has grown to become one of the most recognizable names in technology and it accounts for around a fifth of all South Korean exports. Next, in terms of its organizational structures, Samsung operates under a divisional organizational structures in which products influence how resources and business activities are classified. As we can see on this chart, the organizational structure of Samsung is divided into three major key divisions, which are IT and mobile communication, consumer electronics, and device solution. Each division provides a specific context in which resources, production, distribution, and sales operate. Each division is also focused on innovation that remains central to Samsung's vision and mission. Firstly, the business segments that are included in the IT and mobile communication division are mobile communication business and network business. Secondly, in the consumer electronic division, the business segments are visual display business, digital appliances business, printing solution business, and health and medical equipment business. Thirdly, the business segment for the device solution division is memory business and system LSI business, which means large-scale integration, with a particular focus on semiconductor design. Therefore, we can see that each division has a lot of different business segments that works together to help Samsung achieve its mission and vision. Now, let us move on the mission statement of Samsung's company, which is, we will devote our human resources and technology to create superior products and services, thereby contributing to a better global society. Samsung Company's mission is derived from its business activities and existing global industry positioning, which are centered on the following components, which are human and technology resources, excellent goods and services, and the advancement of global society. Meanwhile, the vision of Samsung Company is to inspire a society that improves human existence and leads to a societal stability by building a better future by delivering our creative technologies, goods, and designs. This statement is broadly used throughout the operation of the company's subsidiaries in the consumer electronics, information technology, and semiconductor sectors. And lastly, Samsung vision statement also consists of the following components, which are globally inspiration, innovation, life enhancement, and future societal prosperity.
For Samsung goals, there are two types of goals that Samsung company focus on, which are the quantitative and qualitative goals. For quantitative goals, Samsung aims for USD 400 billion in sales, predominantly number 1 in the global IT industry and global top 5. Meanwhile, for the qualitative goals, Samsung aims for an innovative company, respected company, becoming the top 10 world's best workplaces, creative leader building new markets, and global enterprise that attract the world's best talent. Next is Samsung objective. Samsung follows a simple business philosophy, which is to devote its talent and technology to creating superior products and services that contribute to a better global society. To achieve this, Samsung sets a high value on its people and technology.
For the value offerings, Samsung sets a high value on the consumer and the technology. Samsung includes four main business marketing strategies in their business framework, which are product, price, place, and promotion. This allows Samsung to identify the customer wants and their needs of their product and services to stand out from their competitor. For the product part, Samsung produces smartphone, tablet, and smartwatch. They also produce LED and LCD panel for their product and also for their competitor. As you can see, the iPhone screen is OLED panel. These are made from Samsung and improved by Apple's. Next, Samsung produce electronic devices such as printer and laptop. They also produce memory chips and processor. And lastly, they produce home appliances. So the second part is pricing. So Samsung use price skimming as their pricing strategy. When Samsung introduced their new launch product, they purposely set the price higher so that they can maximize profit per unit to cover the development cost. Other than that, Samsung used competitive pricing. Samsung priced their product slightly cheaper than iPhone. Samsung put a better feature than its main competitor. By doing this, consumer can use the price to make a decision when making a purchase. Samsung product can be widely found on e-commerce platform. Usually, the one that who sell this is reseller. So Samsung provide a license so that the seller can be an authorized reseller. Samsung also has its own website and have many authorized stores. Samsung sell directly their product to retailer such as Senheng, which is very popular in Malaysia. For the last part is promotion. Samsung invests some of their money in advertisement on social media platform, in local newspaper, in public places such as bus stop, highway, and they also made some collaboration with some celebrities such as BTS and Blackpink to serve for their product ambassador. And lastly, Samsung used campaign and sponsorship to improve their business credibility, public image, and build prestige.
Hi, I'm Daniel, and now I will present the segmentation strategies of Samsung based on the advertisement video. Segmentation strategies are done to help a company in finding a suitable group that meets the needs of the product that they offer. Based on the video by Samsung, they also has their own segmentation strategy for one of their latest products, the Samsung S21 Plus 5G. There are three parts of segmentation strategies, which are segmentation, targeting, and positioning. So for the first one, the basis of segmentation. This is where the company will divide the market into customer segments. So there are four major bases of segmentation, which are demographic, geographic, psychographic, and behavioral. After watching the video, we find out that Samsung used all of these four segmentation. As one of big company, using multiple segmentation definitely helps Samsung to improve the ability to target the right market. The first segmentation basis used by Samsung is demographic. This is where the customers will be categorized as group based on age, gender, and income by Samsung. For example, age like from young adult, and older people. Based on the video with BTS, we can see that Samsung is targeting young customers who might be fans of BTS, and not to mention that BTS members are men between the ages of 20 to 30 to attract adults. For gender, Samsung choose to look at both gender, as male or female can be attracted to the same thing like the color purple of the phone. And then income, Samsung seems to be targeting people who are capable to buy the phone, which can be the people from affluent or middle income, because the price starts at 2499 ringgit Malaysia. And then for the second segmentation basis that used by Samsung is geographic, where customers will be categorized as group based on nation, countries, and cities by Samsung. Collaborating with BTS in the video, Samsung is considering the customer groups around the world, as BTS are famous in America, Europe, and obviously Asia. Not only that, Samsung also is one of the largest manufacturer of phones, meaning they look at customers in both urban and rural areas. Next one is psychographic. This is where Samsung divides the customers into different groups based on social class, lifestyle, or personality trait. We can see from the video with BTS where it can attract group of people that enjoy music from BTS and also people that enjoy Korean entertainment such as Korean drama or reality show like Running Man. Also from the video, Samsung highlight the best feature from the phone, which is an 8K snap for users who like to take pictures quickly with good quality and not blurry, which can be really useful for photographer. The price also starts at 2499 ringgit Malaysia, and the design is very classy that it is suitable for people who have a luxurious lifestyle. And then for the last segmentation basis used by Samsung is behavioral. This is the time where Samsung divides customers into different groups based on knowledge, attitude, users, or responses to a product. With the new phone, Samsung takes into account the group of customers who remain loyal even with the use of different marketing methods. And then, collaborating with BTS refers to BTS fans who are willing to buy this collection as a sign that they support BTS not only in the field of music but also in the advertising industry. So now for the target market, Samsung will select the right target after using all the segmentation. After doing analysis from the video, we find out that there are 4 target market for this product, which are the fans of BTS, trendy young people, photographer, and loyal customers of Samsung.
Next is Samsung positioning strategy. Samsung's first positioning strategy is product attributes and benefits. Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus 5G is unique with Infinity O display and dynamic AMOLED. The Galaxy S21 5G is also built with groundbreaking protection, which is the Gorilla Glass Victus that delivers scratch and damage resistant. Other than that, the phone is also equipped with a ProGrade video of 8K resolution. The 8K resolution video is the highest resolution in a smartphone, making footage look even better than the cinema. Next, the Galaxy S21 Plus 5G is also equipped with intelligent battery. The phone is provided with super fast charger, fast wireless charging 2.0, and also a wireless power share where it lets the user to use their phone to charge their buds, watch, or even a friend's phone. Other than that, the phone is also a water resistant with IP68 rated protection. The second positioning strategy is the product price. Samsung uses skimming price policy. When Samsung launches its product with newer features and capabilities, they tend to price it a bit higher than others. On the other hand, when some other company launches a smartphone with the same or better features, Samsung reduces the price and easily avoid losing market as a result of the competitor's debut. Samsung also has created different phones for different target markets. For example, the Galaxy S series has a higher price and the Galaxy A series has a cheaper price. However, both of the phones have good quality despite the difference in the price. The third positioning strategy is the product quality. One of the special features in Samsung phone is that it has 30 times space zoom. Enhanced camera quality allows for 30 times digital zoom, making it look like those back row seats were actually close enough to touch the band. Zoom lock stabilizes the shot when your hands get shaky. Next, Samsung phone is also equipped with the fastest chip ever in Galaxy phone with 5nm processor. This means that the phone has more speed, more power, and more intelligence. Lastly, there is also a tight security in Samsung Galaxy phone, and unlike any other phone, the Knox security platform delivers a high level of security, protecting phone from the chip up and giving more confidence in the data and app permissions. It also features Samsung Knox Vault to keep biometric authentication data under wraps. With a larger, lower latency ultrasonic fingerprint sensor, user can unlock even faster.
These are 6 types of microenvironment that affecting the Samsung company. For the company part, Samsung is the second biggest telecommunication industry in the universe through its invention smartphone. And then Samsung is the first one to bring foldable screen phone. Next, in the suppliers part, suppliers form an important link in Samsung company overall customer value delivery system, where they provide resources needed by the company to produce its goods and services. Marketing intermediaries, where it helps the Samsung company to promote, sales, and distribute its goods to customers, which include wholesalers and retailers such as Tesco. In the competitors part, Samsung must provide greater customer value than its competitor, such as offer a wide variety of phones with wider array of features and price point than Apple. In the public section, Samsung target the Generation Z by using the collaboration of Samsung S21 plus 5G with BTS because these generations are currently attracted to K-pop culture, therefore they may generate high profit and sales to the company. In the customer section, Samsung target a very wide range of consumers from teenagers to early adults. Next, microenvironment that affecting the Samsung company are these 5. The first one is demographic environment, where Samsung have to change its products to match the rapidly changing customer preference. Next, natural environment, where Samsung must keep pollution or waste in mind. And then the next one is economic environment, where Samsung needs to introduce products which are affordable to them in order to maintain its sales. And then technological environment, Samsung needs to introduce products which have the newest technologies to attract the new customer. And last one is cultural environment, where Samsung creates products based on local needs and tastes.